Good morning students. Now HS2ndyr mathematics. We are doing integration. Definite integral we are going to do. Now new exercise today. Today we start exercise 7.11. Before that I want to say today I will give similar type of few homeworks that you have to do and you have to send. Otherwise your attendance will not be given. And remember 80% attendance is mandatory. It is board has decided to that 80%. If you fail to attend, then you cannot appear your final exam. So you should be sensitive about that one. You react to this one. You have to study and you have to do. So now we are going to start exercise 7.11. So this is exercise 7.11. Another thing I want to say, your problem, your anything, you are never telling these things. It is very bad. You have to say. That is really make me upset. Now, one property of definite integral that if it is 0 to a fx dx, then we can say it is 0 to a fx minus a dx. This is third property of the definite integral. With that only we will do all the sums. Maximum use of this one. So question number 1. 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now see how to do this sum. Here, shall I use this one? Yes, of course. Before that, you have to write let I is equal to this one. I have chosen one name for given integral, that is I. As it is given 0 to a fx dx can be written as 0 to a fx minus a or a minus x, better you write. Then we will get that both are same. So 0 to pi by 2 cos square, what I said, a minus x. Instead of x, it should be a minus x. A is what? Upper limit. So we can say 90 minus x dx. So students, we know that cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. So definitely cos 90 minus x, it will be sin x. Square automatically will come. Now see, this I is that. Again, we get I as in the new form. Now if we add these two, then left hand side will be twice I. Right hand side, this plus that. So we can write 0 to 90 cos square x plus sin square x dx. And automatically cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus 10, we got this one. So we get half I as half 0 to 90, this one. So we get I, that is original integration is half. Integration of dx is x and our range is 0 to 90. So how to replace x first by 90, then minus 0, so it is pi by 4 is the answer of this question. So this is the thing, how to do the sum. So similar type we will do the next sum. Next sum, it is given little bit looking different, but procedure is same. Question number 2, integration 0 to 90 again given, and sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx. So again, if we use these things, that every x here, if we replace a minus x, Then sin x, if we replace it is 90 minus x, it will be cos x. Sin x, here also if we replace, it will also turn as cos x. Here it will turn as sin x. So if I take this one as I, then by using that rule, that third property of the definite integral, it will change into root cos x, and here root cos x plus root sin x. Now students, see, here denominator same, numerator is little different, here root sin x, here root cos x. So as I has in different form, if we add this to I, it will be twice I is equal to 0 to 90 root sin x. If we add these two, automatically numerator you have to add like that, and denominator also like this. So we can cancel this, and ultimately we get I is equal to half integration 0 to 90 dx. Similar, just like earlier one, half, here integration of dx is x and 0 to 90. That means half 90 minus 0. So automatically it will be pi by 4. So it is also like that earlier one. So here main use is what? That is third property of definite integral. What is the third property? Third property always say that if 0 to a fx dx is there, then automatically x can be replaced by a minus x, upper limit minus x. This is the our thing. So now I want to give question number 3 as your homework. Question number 3 as homework. I want that one you should submit. Now question number 4. Here it is, integration 0 to 90 cos 5x dx plus sin 5x plus 5x here means or 5. So it is also similar type, and yes, I want this one also as your homework. So this is also your homework. Now question number 5 I want to do. Question number 5 is little bit different. It is minus 5 to 5 modulus x plus 2 dx. Now we are going to do this sum. So now we have to do homework. One is question number 3 and as well as one is question number 4. And students, I found that these two are similar like question number 1 and 2. So definitely you have to do, and you have to send in my personal mobile. Now here what to do with this one? What is modulus x plus 2? Modulus of any term means it is a positive term. Here whatever be the value of it, may be a positive x plus 2, maybe a x plus 2, maybe a negative, but modulus will give always a positive thing. That is the meaning of modulus. So this will be again x plus 2. If x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0, that means if x is greater than equal to minus 2, then it will remain this one. But if inside bracket this one is, inside modulus this one is negative, then it will be turned as positive, and it is only we can do by giving a minus sign, and it is possible when x is less than minus 2. So modulus x plus 2 can be written as this when that one, and this when this one. So our minus 5 to 5 is our interval. So you see that this can be written as minus 5 to minus 2, and at that time our modulus, this one will change into minus x plus 2. So this is our, that any integration we can divide in this type of thing, and it is possible if this is that one. So students, you see that minus 5 to minus 2, this one, plus minus 2 to 5, that is whole limit our limit is given from -5 to 5. Lower limit is this -5, upper limit is 5. So instead of this, we have written -5 to -2 plus -2 to 5. So this we can write, we can divide this way. So -5 to -2, -2 to 5. And another thing we have done, as we know that x less than -2 means this term, x greater than -2 means x plus 2. So with that, now we are going to integration. That is the main part of this one, the division of integration. Integrand can be break like that. Now integration of x is x square by 2 and integration of 2 is twice x. It is -5 to -2. Then x is x square by 2 plus twice x, here 2 to -2 to 5. Now -2 if we put here, this will give what? 4 by 2. This one here if we put, then it will give -4 only. Then minus, and then this minus, this will give plus. Then inside bracket, if we put -5 here, 25 by 2. And if we put -5 here, it is -10. So student, you see that if we put -2, this value, if we put -5, then this. And in between these two, we have to put one minus, minus makes it plus. Now if we put 5 here, 25 by 2, here it is 10 minus, inside bracket, -2 if we put, it is 4 by 2 and it is -4. It is 2, this is 2. So we get 2 minus 4 is -2 and this minus gives +2. If we take LCM 2, then it is 5 by 2. Here again 25 by 2. And if we add this one, it will be 45 by 2. Then 45 and this one, if we mix, then it is 50 by 2. These two will give -2, and this one will give +2. So we get 4 plus this one. So 58 by 2, so that is 29 is the answer of this question. So with that we can do like that one. So here we have done. So question number 6 is similar type. So 6 is again we have given for your homework. Now question number 7, which is a little bit different and peculiar type, that we are going to do. See, same type of sum, if anyone has a right to give us homework, you cannot deny, because that is the way of you can present your answer. That already we have shown that how to show your answer. Now question number 7. So 3 sum is your homework, 3, 4, 6. Now question number 7, it is integration 0 to 1 x 1 minus x to the power n dx. Now how to do this sum? Of course, that's property. Property is what? X we have to replace. If it is 0 to a, yes, 0 to some number, then x we have to replace by that number minus x. So we can write this one as 0 to 1, x will be replaced by 1 minus x. Here x can be replaced by 1 minus x, that is plus x to the power n dx. So what we achieve? That x to the power n into this one. So if we break, then it will be 0 to 1, x to the power n into 1 is x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1 dx. Now if we integrate x to the power n, then it is x to the power n plus 1 by x n plus 1. If we integrate this one, x to the power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2, and it is 0 to 1. If we put 1, this whole term will be 1, and here also. But if we put 0, this will be 0, that also 0, so minus 0. Then if we take LCM, n plus 1 into n plus 2, then in numerator n plus 2 minus n plus 1 both will cancel, and ultimately we get as 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this is the answer of question number 7. See, that way we can do this sum. So now this sum I have given as homework. You copy it one day. I will check this copy also. Remember, now college is little bit strict about your attendance and all these things. So little attention you give, and that much for today.